Hey everyone, this is Oxidize Responsibly with this week's topic. Today we're talking about multiple carboxylase deficiency, or MCD for short. Let's take a look. Which amino acids are involved? Answer: MCD is an inborn error of biotin metabolism, which leads to a deficiency in biotin and the amino acid lysine. Let's take a look at these molecules. Okay, so I see a branched chain. Looks like lysine to me. And over here, what's this beauty? Oh, that's none other than biotin. And pun is intended because biotin is a popular supplement for hair, nails, and skin. Ladies, you probably know that. So what enzymes are deficient? The answer is there are two primary forms in MCD. One is Biotinidase deficiency, and two is holocarboxylase synthetase deficiency. So let's take a deeper look. The Biotinidase enzyme recycles biotin, a B vitamin, popularly known as vitamin H, in liver, egg yolks, and milk. It removes biotin that is bound to proteins in food, leaving the vitamin in its free or unbound state. And free biotin is needed by enzymes called biotin-dependent carboxylases to break down fats, proteins, and carbs. Also, the holocarboxylase synthetase's job is to add biotin to other enzymes called carboxylases through a process known as biotinylation. The process of biotinylation can change the food we eat into energy for the body. When holocarboxylase synthetase is missing, it will cause health problems such as behavioral disorders, lack of coordination, learning disabilities, and seizure. Yeah, you had no idea what we just said, did you? Okay, well, let's see if we could use a little picture to help you out. This shows how biotin is recycled inside the body. So biotinidase is used to remove it from other compounds, and then synthetase is used to add it to others. Now, what's the reason for enzyme deficiency? The answer is genetics. So generally it's inherited through a recessive form, and if you've taken genetics, you'll know that you can have an unaffected father and mother both carrying a recessive gene. They get together, and 1 in 4 chance that one of their children will have both recessive alleles. So as a result of this deficiency, the concentration of which molecules increase? Multiple carboxylase deficiency causes metabolic crisis and buildup of harmful substances in the blood and urine. Deficiency of the enzyme impairs fat, carbohydrate, and protein metabolism. Let's talk about chemistry, or better yet, biochemistry. So, holocarboxylase synthetase catalyzes the transfer of biotin to a specific lysine residue at the active site of a carboxylase, converting the enzyme to fully active holocarboxylase. 5 mammalian carboxylases are known to require biotin for their biological activity. The biotinylation of carboxylase is catalyzed by holocarboxylase synthetase, while the enzyme biotinidase catalyzes the removal of biotin from the peptide products of carboxylase breakdown. Whew, that is a mouthful. What are the symptoms? The symptoms include metabolic crisis, such as poor appetite, vomiting,
lethargy,
irritability, hypotonia, severe skin rash and peeling, and behavioral changes. Have you guys ever seen anyone like that? What are the signs? The signs include hair loss, poor growth, skin rashes, learning disabilities, mental retardation, hearing or vision loss, and seizures. Some laboratory findings include ketones in the urine, low blood platelets, low blood sugar, high levels of ammonia in the blood. Is this disease age or gender specific? The clinical presentation and age of onset are extremely variable, but usually occurs in one of two forms. The neonatal form is known as holocarboxylase synthetase deficiency, and the late onset form is known as biotinidase deficiency. This disease is not known to be gender specific. How would you diagnose this disease? Symptoms of holocarboxylase synthetase deficiency usually appear within the first few months of life, while symptoms of biotinidase deficiency usually appear several days after birth, but may also appear as late as adolescence or early adulthood around age 21. And you can look for the signs and symptoms that we talked about earlier. Is this disease preventable? Unfortunately, this disease is inherited, so once the patient receives it, the only course of action is treatment. What is the treatment of the disease? The current treatment is daily supplementation of 5 to 10 milligrams of oral biotin. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful.